Steve.
Morning.
My name's Rick. This is Joan.
Hello.
And this is our bus that we've been campaigning for 16 years. And would you like to come in and look around?
Yes, please.
These are couches, 7-foot couches, and they fold out and make into a king-size bed.
All right.
And we took the front door out, and so she could sit up there and watch because she gets car sick, and put seats in there and all that kind of stuff. This is our kitchen. Everything we need, you know, we got the stove and hot water heater and water tanks. Took an air conditioner window unit, cut it in half, and put the evaporator up here and the condenser and compressors down below.
Okay.
This is an old dot matrix printer cabinet that we turn into a closet. Old three-way refrigerator that's done great for us.
Yeah.
And the only thing we need high voltage for is the microwave and the air conditioner. Everything else is 12 volt.
Right. Yeah, I do everything of mine is 12 volt or USB ports to charge phones and stuff.
Right. Well, we got a little USB outlet down there that we can use, or we can come out of here. This is my control panel, my OCD control panel. And this is high voltage. I don't have any kind of switches. I'll take this out. This is generator, and then this is shore power here. And I can do that, and that way I'm not going to burn my generator up.
Right.
So we got the high voltage here, battery charger, water pump, generator, and then these are interior lights, main disconnect for the 12, and then volts and amps here. This panel slides out on drawer slides so I can get to the back and work on it.
I like the meters.
Those are old sun meters, yeah, from back in the day.
Yep.
This is a junk collection. If we're going like on a float trip, we'll put the float trip stuff in here. We got some motorcycles this trip and odds and ends.
Sure.
And I got the power off. So this is a shower pan that I made out of stainless.
Okay.
And put Luan in here and then use contact cement so that you don't see any nails and screws and stuff like that.
Nice.
We call this the garage. Back here, we can haul 4 motorcycles, 3 back here, 1 up there, and I'm talking, I got a 950-pound Harley bagger, you know. We can put the bagger back here. She's got a Dyna. This trip, we've just got the 2 little Hondas that we hauled down here, back here, that were back here. And then when the bikes are out, we can set up a table for meals. And it's sort of like a sunroom back here now, or we can put curtains up and change clothes, things like that.
Now, this didn't come with the 2 doors, did it?
No, I made the French doors.
Yeah, because that's nice.
I took a foot out of this side, a foot out of this side, got another 3-foot door, took a foot out of it, and then Frenched them so we get the bikes in and out.
Sure, sure.
And then there's a 3,000-pound lift gate back here, because we used to, when we had Sportsters, we would ride them up U-Haul ramp. And when we got the bigger bikes, that was too much. It was too scary. So I bought a 3,000-pound lift gate and mounted it to the bus, extended it out so it folds out into 7 foot so we can get the bikes on there.
Right.
And that's how that works. And then toolbox, gotta have tools when you're out on the road.
Yeah, you always need tools.
Oh yeah, always need tools. Trash can, clothesline, just stuff like that. Plenty of lights. We got lights, you know, everywhere. Like I said, I'm working on the batteries right now. We don't have much inverter. We don't use inverters for much at all. So we've got a little one here if we need a little 110 when we're just running on batteries.
Right.
Other than that, we're just on batteries all the time.
Yep. Now you don't have solar or anything, right?
I've just got some temporary panels out there.
I saw that out back.
We may, when solar panels get to where they lay down nice, like I'm seeing a couple here now. When they lay down nice on the roof and they don't stick up,
right,
then I'll go ahead and put some solar panels on top. And we're about there. I think the industry is about there on the lay down solar panels.
I've seen a few rigs that had the flexible panels.
Right. I've got nothing on the roof.
Many. Yeah.
I don't want anything on the roof. No air conditioning. All I have is a black and gray vent that goes up on the roof, and that's it.
Right. And you said this was 78.
1976.
76. Sorry.
76 Bluebird, all American. All the sheet metal on the outside, actually the inside too, is all galvanized.
Right.
It's probably one of the heavier buses that they made, and it's a 38 footer.
It's got a lot of.
It's got nice. We didn't know when we bought this in 05. We didn't know about all that, you know, but it's got a lot of headroom in it.
Right.
And we didn't do much for installation. If we had to do over again, we never expected to drive it in the winter. And it ends up, we do a Christmas trip every year, and now we're out here, it's January, you know, and we're out here into the weather, but we're south. So my plumbing's not insulated. I've got to drain it if we're going to get into cold frozen kind of weather, you know. But there's 2 inches of insulation in the roof. Factory, it's not much, but we just left that in there.
Yeah.
So.
Very nice.
Well, thank you.
I like this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And there's a difference there. And you remember they had, what was it, 70?
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.